Today we're going to be installing the under cabinet range hood 30-inch stainless steel. This is for your stoves. Let's get it. Okay, coolie. So these things go for $129 plus tax at Home Depot. This is the ductless version. We do not have a duct to run this through, so we're going with the ductless version. Let's get it done. All right, so we got this thing opened up, man. I found my electrical wires. Got my white right here. I got my black right here. I got my grounding screw right there. So look at my fan. That thing spinning. Look at my light bulb. That's gonna look nice and crispy. We got some film that's protecting it for packaging. We can take that off. So on this particular install, we're gonna remove the recirculating vent cover because we're not doing duct work as per directions from my instruction manual. All right, so this is where we're gonna be installing the range hood. We got this little cabinet opening right here. We're gonna get cleaners in here soon, man, to get these cabinets cleaned up, but nevertheless, okay, we got black, white, and we also have our grounding wire right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing installed. Pretty much level, as you can see. What I wanna do is just mark my holes for my screws. We may have to put anchors on there, we may not. I'm gonna hit it with my stud finder and see. There we go. Yeah, it looks good. All right, so this thing, it don't weigh nothing, man. So, I just sit it right there on the top of my head real quick. The front part of it. So I can get my wires through. So that's good. I got my grounding, black and white. I got them through my wiring hole. I got one screw in. I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, cool. Yeah, that thing, it ain't going no damn well. It's on there. Now we're gonna hook our electrical up. All right, so I'm gonna knock some of that off for my black. And I'm gonna go ahead and wire that with my other black. Slap me a wire nut on there. I like to put a little electrical tape on there as well. Okay. I'm gonna take a little bit off of there, off my whites. Okay. Tie these in together, and then tie that on my white. Nothing too fancy. Common sense supplies once again. And that's our motto over here at Do It Yourself. Want to make anything any harder than what it gotta be. Electrical tape. Okay. And ironically, I got a grounding wire on this one, guys. We're just gonna wrap that around that screw. This is nothing too fancy. Just get that wrapped around that screw like so. Take our drill, tighten that up, and we're connected. We're all connected here. We're all connected. Here we go, guys. Oh yeah, we got power, baby. Well, let me see what that fan hitting on. Oh yeah, that's the money right there. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's money, baby. Yep, so we just going ahead and getting our cover back on there. This thing is